Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel in my dark circles. So I'm about to go get some boba. If you haven't tried it before, it's like a tea that it's basically, I think it's usually like a green tea base, and they add, it's kind of like tapioca balls into it, and sometimes they have flavored ones and they add flavoring to it. So I'm gonna go get some of that, but that's not what's so exciting about today. Hold on, I gotta shift. And turn with one hand. So today is gonna be fun and exciting because we're going to a race, and I don't mean like Mexico races, dirt races. So that's gonna be out in Volusia County. There's like a Volusia track, if you want to call it that, and it's just like a little circle track that is dirt or mud. We're doing that today, and I am dead ass tired, you know, all natural today. If y'all have ever had boba before too, by the way, leave me a comment below on your favorite flavor, because I always get either coconut or, yeah, coconut. Just got my tea, got the rose this time instead of the coconut. We're about to squat up to the race. Yeah, it's tractor racing. Joke's on y'all.